Namaskar and a very warm welcome to everyone. You have tuned in to the November edition of ANON Monthly News Bulletin. I'm Vanessa Pandita from Sparsh Global School.
And I am Pitanshu Pandey from Delhi University. This month brought moments of pride, powerful ceremonies, insightful workshops, and impactful learning experiences.
So sit back as we take you through all the highlights of this vibrant and inspiring month. We begin with the proud moment for the entire ANON community. Dr. Aarti Girdhar received the Education Excellence Conclave Award presented by All India Private Schools Association.
This honor beautifully recognizes her dedication, leadership, and long standing contribution to the education and empowerment ecosystem. A truly well deserved achievement that inspires us all.
ANON conducted the BTI-2 orientation ceremony, marking the beginning of a new and promising chapter for the incoming batch.
Soon after, Anon proudly celebrated the achievements of Batch 8 with a special felicitation ceremony. The event acknowledged their dedication, consistency, and meaningful contributions throughout their internship journey.
An enriching artificial intelligence masterclass was conducted by Siddhant Pradhan. The session introduced participants to AI fundamentals, real world applications, and the future of technology.
The interactive format encouraged curiosity, discussions, and innovative thinking, opening doors to the technologically dynamic future. The month also featured three impactful workshops at Gauss International School, Siddharth Vihar, focusing on awareness, discipline, and adolescent development. The topics of the sessions included safe and unsafe touch, discipline reset, decoding puberty, and the menstrual cycle.
The active participations of the student made the sessions highly productive, creating a safe and supported environment for questions and learning. Interns Bhumi Adlakha and Tanvi Sharma contributed with great enthusiasm, making it a truly memorable experience. Now, let's turn to the one of the most inspiring pillars of ANON, Project Unchai. Throughout November, the Pune team conducted powerful on ground sessions that blended learning, self awareness, and community action.
The month began with meaningful hands-on experience as the team joined the Adar Poonawalla Clean City initiative at the Biodiversity Heritage Site.
Under the leadership of Siddharth Pradhan, volunteers participated in a cleanup drive that promoted environmental responsibility and community ownership.
Participants learned how our small actions like picking up litter or segregating waste can create a massive ripple effect for a cleaner and healthier city.
Another highlight was the session We Greater Than Me Magic of Working Together, conducted at Ghar Sant Ishwar Foundation.
A follow-up session, Brain Gym, How to Exercise Your Mind, helped the student learn fun and practical techniques to boost memory, focus, and positive thinking.
The month concluded with sessions on mental and physical health at Nirankar Balgram, emphasizing emotional resilience, fitness, and overall well being.
A heartfelt appreciation to Siddhant Pradhan, Preeti Kapse, and Pooja Kapse for their dedicated support throughout this month's session. Your efforts made every session truly impactful and meaningful.
Adding a burst of energy, Anon continued its wellness initiative through the Anonathin Challenge featuring wall exercises. Participants shared progress, motivated each other, and built strength, flexibility, and discipline.
The training sessions were conducted by Ms. Sapna Gupta and Dr. Arti Girdhar, with a number of participants joining in for an engaging group workout and participating enthusiastically. These sessions were streamed live on the Anothan YouTube, Fitness, or Live channel.
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for, presenting the Anon Excellence Award, featuring the Best Executive Council member. The top 5 standout performers are 5th position, Bhaskar Gupta, 4th position, Preeti Kapse, 3rd position, Tanmay Sharma, 2nd position, Akshita Jain, and the 1st position goes to Jia Singh. Am I forgetting something?
Yes, Volunteer of the Month yaar.
Oh, yeah.
So now let's start with the Volunteer of the Month, July 2025. Yuvakshi Goswami, Lavanya Chaudhary, Navya, Pooja Kapse, Srishti Rawat,
Volunteer of the Month, August 2025 are Agastya Agarwal, Kaniksha Gupta, Vaishnavi Kumar Pawar.
Volunteer of the Month September 2025 are Krishna Chaudhary, Akansha Mandal, Nishika Bajaj, Shreyanshi Kaushik, Srijan Pradhan, and Yashika Bindal.
Volunteers of the Month October 2025 are Angel Nasa, Garvita Bhatia, Jyoti Kumari, Tanish Kumar, Vartika Chawla, Vishaka Gupta, and Rahul Gupta.
Moving forward, here are top 6 performers of the month November from the 3-month internship program BTI 2. These interns have truly excelled in the initial days of their internship. Srishti Juneja, Harshita Goyal, Chavi Sharma, Priyanshu Pandey, Ishanvi Sharma, Ikra Fatma.
And with that, we wrap up the November News Bulletin.
From recognitions to masterclasses to meaningful workshops and community action, this month truly reflected learning, empowerment, and growth.
Thank you for joining us. We look forward to bring more highlights next month. Until then, stay inspired, stay curious, and keep growing with Anon.